Hey, what's up guys? It's Fast Jacks here at Harley Davidson of Panama City Beach. In front of me I have the gorgeous 2022 Harley Davidson Street Glide ST. We went ahead and installed the 8-inch Thrash and Supply billet aluminum risers and their mid bar. These are made in America. The bars are made in America. It's got this awesome little American flag on the side, made in America right here, and it's got the HDMC Dominion grips. It is just stunning. I have the same handlebar setup on my bike. We also did the Thrash and Supply adapter as well to bring it down and a little more forward, and the CVO flash, so you can go ahead and just crank the bike up right here. Super. As you can see, you are practically sitting in the rider's position. The camera is maybe 4 inches below my sight line, maybe 5 inches below my sight line, and as you can see, you have a clear view of the gauges. There's been some controversy about T-bars on a Street Glide and functionality. It actually kills no functionality at all. Like you can see all of the gauges, and you have full control of your radio right here. You know, to me personally, it is not a bad trade-off to increase the handling tremendously over ape hangers and stock bars. There are no polyurethane riser bushings here. The adapter goes directly into the top triple tree, which therefore connects to the riser and handlebars, so it is snappy. I mean, it is instant. You get none of that flex from the riser bushings, none of that, so it makes the bike more enjoyable to ride, more nimble, and it handles the corners a lot better. I'm really thrilled to see the whole performance bagger thing taken off, and it's fun. They're fun to build, they're fun to ride. It's nice to be able to tour if you need to. It is just an all-around great motorcycle. You know, go out and have fun. Go out and do 800 miles if you want to, 600, 400, whatever you're comfortable with. You know, travel to your rallies or just around town, you know, hitting them twisties you got. I'm 6 foot tall. I'm super comfortable. You know, these bars would be fine for somebody that's a little shorter. I love it. And we're off. Get that corner nice and low. I mean, it just handles phenomenally. Look how nice this is. Just pops right back to the dealership. Oh, we'll go back in. Oh, back and forth. Oh, just when I talk about stability and center of gravity, I mean, even with one hand, work that clutch a little bit. Look at this, man. I mean, the bike just, it's beautiful. I mean, it's just so well balanced, you know, just working that friction zone. This is how much control T-bars give you, you know. It's just, like I said, no riser bushings directly into the forks. It's just rigid, it's firm, and it does what you want. And I think this is really what's gotten the performance bagger scene to take off, is when people realize what these bikes are capable of. Like I said, I'm still one-handed here, working the clutch only, you know, turning slow speed, and it's just, you know, you guys have to really come in and ride this bike. The STs are where it's at. I love the Road Glide ST. I love the Street Glide ST. The 117 cubic inch motor is awesome, and that pipe sounds incredible. With Thrash and Supply, made in America, awesome products. You know, this is just a real awesome Harley Davidson motorcycle. Bronze wheels, blacked out. It needs nothing. It needs nothing. Thanks for watching, guys.